It's not whether we're going to be in a wider war. We are in a wider war right now as we speak. The world is in a constant state of flux, and it feels like we're always on the brink of something big. Nah, I'm not talking about some crazy battle with tanks and stuff, but think about it. Economic uncertainty, natural disasters popping off left and right, it's wild out there. The chaos isn't just on the news, it's in our daily lives, affecting everything from our jobs to our homes. And if you're big on getting ready for the worst of the worst, as everyone should be, you're in luck because Amazon just dropped a bunch of items that'll make you wonder if you're even allowed to buy stuff like these. These aren't your everyday household items. These are next-level survival tools and gadgets. Imagine waking up and just scrolling through your Amazon home feed, just looking for some toilet paper and a new spatula, only to stumble upon items that you'd swear are straight out of a spy movie. It's like finding hidden treasures in the most unexpected places. We're talking about things that could give you a real edge in really sticky emergency situations, or items so advanced you'll wonder if they were handed down by the CIA themselves. From high-tech survival gear to emergency kits packed with advanced tools, these products are designed to keep you one step ahead. No one knows how long these will stay available before someone somewhere decides they're too risky for the public. And you definitely don't want to be the person that finds out about these products after they're pulled from the shelves. The window of opportunity could close at any moment, so act fast. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a prepper, or just curious about the world of cutting-edge products, keep watching and get ready to stash a few, or maybe all of these away for when the world flips upside down. These items could be game changers, and you don't want to miss out on the chance to own them. First up, we're kicking things off with something small but mighty, something that could mean the difference between walking away from a bad situation or, well, not walking away. Personal safety is no joke, and having the right tool can make all the difference. I'm talking about the Wildest VTS 880 Mini Stun Gun. This thing is seriously discreet, fitting right in the palm of your hand. But don't let its size fool you. It's designed to be compact yet incredibly effective. It packs a whopping 25 million volts. You heard that right? 25 million volts of stopping power. That's like having a lightning bolt in your pocket. That's enough to stop any attacker in their tracks, giving you the precious seconds you need to get away safely. Those few moments can be crucial in a dangerous situation. And the best part? It's rechargeable. No need to worry about batteries dying on you at the worst possible moment. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Plus, it's got a built-in LED flashlight because sometimes you just need to find your keys at the bottom of your bag, you know? Or maybe light your way in a dark parking lot. But listen, I gotta keep it real with you guys. Self-defense is a serious topic and it's crucial to be responsible. Owning a stun gun comes with its own set of responsibilities. Before you even think about buying a stun gun, make sure you check your local laws. Regulations can vary widely. Some places have restrictions, and we don't want anyone getting in trouble. Safety first, always. Be informed, be prepared, and stay safe. All right, moving on to something every adventurer, prepper, or, let's be honest, anyone who's ever had to open a really stubborn package needs a reliable pocket knife. It's one of those tools that you don't realize how much you need until you actually have one in your hand. But we're not talking about your grandpa's rusty old pocket knife here. Those might have been good in their time, but technology has come a long way. We're talking about the Snake Eye Tactical Folding Pocket Knife, a modern masterpiece of engineering. This isn't just any knife. It's a tool designed for the modern world. This thing is sleek, it's lightweight, and it's built to last. You can carry it around without even noticing it's there until you need it. Made from high-grade stainless steel, it can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. From cutting rope to slicing through tough materials, this knife is up for the challenge. But the real star of the show is the spring-assisted opening. This feature makes it incredibly easy to deploy the blade quickly and efficiently. With a flick of your wrist, the blade snaps open, ready for action. It's almost like having a mini switchblade, but perfectly legal in most places. Whether you're camping, doing some DIY projects around the house, or, God forbid, find yourself in an emergency situation, this knife has got your back. It's versatile enough to be used in a variety of scenarios. But again, guys, responsibility is key here. Always handle your knife with care and respect. Just like with the stun gun, make sure you're aware of the legal restrictions in your area before you even think about carrying this bad boy around. Different places have different laws, and it's crucial to stay informed. We want you to be prepared, not end up on the wrong side of the law. So do your homework, stay safe, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with being prepared for anything. Ever wonder what it's like to be a secret agent? Well, this next item might just give you a taste of that spy life, but hopefully without all the dangerous car chases and explosions. I'm talking about the Brickhouse Security GPS car tracker, a device so small and discreet you can hide it practically anywhere. This little gadget is a game changer when it comes to keeping tabs on your valuables. Stick it on your car, your bike, your dog's collar. The possibilities are endless. It uses GPS technology to give you real-time location tracking with pinpoint accuracy, so you'll always know exactly where your stuff is. And the best part? It's weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about rain or shine messing with your tracking game. But hold your horses, James Bond. Before you go planting this tracker on everything that moves, remember, privacy is a big deal. Using a GPS tracker without someone's consent can land you in some serious hot water. So, use it responsibly, ethically, and always within the boundaries of the law. Ever feel like you're out of the loop? Like there's a whole world of communication happening around you that you're just not privy to? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because the United Bearcat BC-125 at handheld scanner is about to open up a whole new world of audio for you. This isn't your grandma's radio, folks. This scanner picks up everything from civilian and military air bands to public safety frequencies and even business channels. You'll be able to listen in on police scanners, fire department dispatches, and even air traffic control. Talk about feeling like you're in the know. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? Using a scanner to commit illegal activities or interfere with emergency communications is a big no-no. So keep it legal, keep it ethical, and most importantly, keep it interesting. Train like a pro with this safe foam rubber training knife. Let's be real, self-defense is no joke. It's not about looking cool or being a tough guy. It's about being prepared for the worst-case scenario. And when it comes to self-defense training, you need tools that are both effective and safe. That's where the Fani Safe Foam Rubber Training Knife comes in. This isn't your average rubber chicken, folks. This thing is a realistic-looking replica of a real knife, designed specifically for self-defense training, martial arts practice, and even military exercises. It's made from durable, impact-absorbing foam rubber, so you can practice your disarms, strikes, and blocks without worrying about hurting yourself or your training partner. But remember, even though it's made of rubber, this training knife still resembles a real weapon. So use common sense and avoid brandishing it in public or in any situation where it could be mistaken for the real deal. Lock it down with these heavy-duty police edition handcuffs. All right, folks, this next item is not for the faint of heart. In fact, it's specifically designed for those who take security seriously, like really seriously. I'm talking about the ViperTech Double Lock Steel Police Edition handcuffs. These aren't your average Halloween costume handcuffs, folks. These are professional-grade restraints, crafted from heavy-duty steel with a double locking mechanism for added security. They're the real deal, used by law enforcement and security professionals around the world. But before you go slapping these bad boys on your friends, let's talk about responsible use. Using handcuffs on another person without proper justification or consent is a serious offense. These are tools for professionals and should be treated with the utmost respect and caution. Unleash your inner treasure hunter with these powerful fishing magnets. Ever dream of finding buried treasure? Well, you don't need a pirate ship or a map to find hidden gems anymore. All you need are these diag-strong neodymium fishing magnets, and you'll be reeling in more than just fish. These aren't your average refrigerator magnets, folks. These are heavy-duty, industrial-strength magnets capable of pulling hundreds of pounds of metal from the depths. We're talking about finding lost tools, forgotten treasures, and maybe even a message in a bottle or two. But before you go magnet fishing in every body of water you can find, let's talk about responsible use. Be mindful of the environment and avoid disturbing delicate ecosystems. And always check local regulations, as some areas may have restrictions on magnet fishing. Stay curious, stay prepared. And that's the rundown of 7 insane items that honestly feel like they're skating a little too close to being forbidden. But hey, as long as they're available, it's all fair game, right? From tools that could up your survival game to gadgets that challenge the norm, Amazon sure has something for everyone. Whether you're a hardcore prepper or just someone intrigued by cutting-edge tech, don't wait too long to grab these items. You never know when they might disappear from the digital shelves. Stay curious, stay ready, and remember, the world of shopping is always changing. If you want to truly survive, you've got to stay ahead of the curve.